There's an elevator nearby. It should take you down to the storage area.
Is locked.
I'll try to hack into it, but it might be faster if you look for a key card. It was faster. It would take me at least another 5 minutes.
The restricted elevator number 3212 is now being activated.
Michael Steele, Minikin, should be down there somewhere. I'm quite sure it's really him, not one of his clones.
What? Clones?
He used to be the chief engineer, and also one of Wagner's first experiments. Failed one. They put him in the cryo to keep him in a stable...
You are now entering a restricted and guarded zone. Please wear your identification visibly at all times.
Careful, I'm getting a spike in the readings. One of the vats just opened. It's not a regular zombie.
Show me what you got, Ugly.
Executing number 17. Emergency wake-up procedure activated.
You'll have to hack it.
Guess someone was trying to breed superfish.
It was a side project. The original research focused on the way some deep-sea fish use electricity. Your power implants were originally based on this.